Hey everybody, it's Xavier here with BMW San Antonio. Today's Feature Friday, so we're going to be going over Apple CarPlay today. Come on in. So we're now in our new 2020 M550. It's going to have iDrive 7, which gives you the Apple CarPlay on this whole screen here. And the first thing that we're going to do is connect our phone. So the way that we do that is we're going to scroll over to COM here, stands for communication. We're going to tap on that, tap on mobile devices, new device, and then phone calls and audio via Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay. So now it's searching for devices, and my phone is just called X, so it's found it, and we're going to click on that. It's going to initiate pairing, and on my phone here, I'm going to click pair because it's got the right matching numbers. And I'm going to say allow contacts and favorites to sync. And then right here, this is a key part. It's going to say use BMW iDrive or confirm note and connect to Apple CarPlay. We're going to select that one, and then now it's going to switch over connections. We're going to approve CarPlay right there. Now once this is done, it's going to pull up my awesome screen right here. This is the media screen. It's got some music up, and then if I want to pull up Waze, for instance, or really any of my other apps, I can just jump to this home screen, and then you're going to use it really like you would use your iPhone, just your different apps that you can get.